Alright guys, so the night before I just bring all my stuff in here because the kids will still be sleeping as I get my stuff together. And this is me. I just showered and everything and laid my hair down so you guys all sleep back. When it's a shoot day, I try not to do too much curls because all it does is mess up my hair. Taking off, putting clothes on, taking off, putting clothes on. It just gets messy. So what I do is just lay it down, slick back, and just shoot. And then on like number days where I'm just doing like my own thing, I don't have to do too much changing. Then I'll curl my hair and try to look all glam up. But this is the look. I just did my eyebrows I use inexpensive stuff. I'm using the e.l.f. I think this is like a liner that I'm using on my brows. But I love the look because it's the brown that I'm looking for. So yeah. So this is me getting ready. I'm in my the kids' bathroom, the guest bathroom. So yeah, I'll show you guys the end result. I have to take my oldest to the bus stop because he rides the school bus, and then I have to drive my younger son to daycare. So then I will start heading to Delaware to shoot with Emmalynlove today. So I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. All right. So I'll talk to you guys soon. So I just wanted to bring you guys along. Good morning. It's like 6 o'clock. The kids are still sleeping. I just steamed all these clothes that I will be shooting today. Today is content creating day, and I am going to meet with Emmalynlove for us to shoot some of these items that I just got on here. I love these pieces and I can't wait to show you guys. These are the ones I will be shooting. I already have them steamed. Those are not going to be I'm not even messing with those because they have to go back. So yeah, so I just have everything lined up in the front of our house, and I have my bags and my shoes, everything lined up. It's so dark. I have my lights upstairs, so you won't be able to see anything in my office, and everything is messed up because I am getting ready to shoot some content today. So I have to go. It's like an hour and a half drive to meet with her since my photographer don't have a day open this week. So hopefully next week I will be able to shoot some content with my photographer. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm on my way headed to Emmalynlove to do this shoot, going through like the countryside. And yeah, I'm going to get on the highway in a little bit. So I'm like driving through here, one lane road, and soon enough I'll be there. Alright guys, so I'm at the area just looking around to see where I can park, because I don't know, somewhere that we can park and then just use all the aesthetics, trying to not move around too much. So yeah, stop right here.
In 900 feet you'll arrive at Hotel DuPont. Your destination will be on your right.
Okay, I might want to move up to the left lane behind this bus. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna try to see if I can find somewhere to park and then call Emmalynlove. Alright guys, so I'm at the location. I can't flip my phone around because my flip thing, the what is it called, the screw came out, so I have to take it to go get it fixed. But here's my jewelry and stuff in that box. I have my bubbly water here. I'll tell you guys more about this in another vlog. And I just finished up my double shot so I can have energy all day and not sleepy. So here are the clothes I'll be shooting. I'm gonna transfer them on that side so I can be able to change on this side. And Emmalynlove just arrived. I think she's parking somewhere over there, so I will keep you guys posted as I show you behind the scenes. Oh, maybe you can see me in here. Okay. Alright guys, so we just finished with the shoot. This is Emmalynlove. I'm about to say shop Emmalynlove. It looks dark from that end. Let me just go around. Ooh, yes, that's shop Emmalynlove wearing. Shop what are you wearing? What are you wearing?
This is Emmalyn wearing shop Emmalynlove.
Yeah.
My pajama shirt.
Yeah.
And our leather shorts.
Yeah.
And I'm serving looks.
That's my tweet. Oh, so we're waiting on our chicken and waffle. Oh yeah. It's a boomerang. What are we doing? Oh, that looks weird.
have filter on it.
Alright, so cute. Alright guys, so we just got through our shoot. Today was content creating day. Emmalynlove came through to help me out. So we're on our chicken and waffle. Hit her up, she got her rates.
Yes. Since when?
Huh?
Since when?
It's easy, you just create something.
Yes.
Alright, so
Where's your bag from?
oh, my bag's from TJ Maxx. I already did a
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You already did a haul. I love it. TJ Maxx got some really nice.
but here's the thing, it was just one.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's hard
that's
to
the whole
find. And I always
point.
wanted to yeah, it's not even
You can walk with it. Probably not. We ain't got enough time. Oh, we cute.
or whatever.
Oh, whatever.
Hey guys, so it was pretty loud in there, so I had to do a voiceover on this part. We were just basically catching up. It's always a great time every time we meet. Ever since I met this girl, it's been like positive vibe, you know, good company, laughter. I mean, there's never a dull moment. And I actually did meet her on Instagram. And from the first day, everybody really thought we look alike. I mean, we just laugh about it, but we, you know, it's... And here I was talking about behind the scenes of Sex and the City, how he was lifting her, and Emma's like, why you try to be all graphic with the lifting? I'm like, well, he was diesel, and he said it was nothing. So we're just basically catching up on stuff.
How are you? Good. You look like you've been enjoying it. No?
It's all there. I'm trying to lose it. I'm trying to lose it.
I mean, life is good.
Yeah.
I mean, life is good.
You look flawless.
Wow. Is that
Yeah,
No,
That's her favorite
refreshed.
word.
You look refreshed.
Yeah.
That's probably why she asked
I've
you.
been busting sales. You ever answer your phone? I'm not even going to talk to you anymore.
I ain't talking to me. You're not gonna talk to me.
So what's going on? How y'all been?
Nothing. Working and working. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out there. I haven't seen you like in 3, 4, 5 months.
I haven't been out here. I've been so busy.
Doing what?
Working.
Doing what?
I think I'll stop right
Looking for money. Bring the food. I want to eat.
What, you hungry already?
Yeah, we've been working out here all day. They want to bring food. I want to eat my food here a little bit before I go.
You wanna see
Oh,
my
really,
son?
really, really? I come out just
You want to see my son?
look at the dinner house collaboration. So you're going to stop in the middle?
Sure you want to see my son?
Sure. How do you have a leech on a
Ferret.
ferret?
He walks like a dog.
So guys, every time we go over to this spot, this guy always bother Emma. Like, I don't know if he likes her. He's an older guy, but he always come over, which is nice, you know, to have a conversation. And yeah, I am bringing her food, and all she wants to do is eat. And this guy's just like still there, but oh well. People always stop us and talk to us every time we're out shooting. So this is the chicken and waffle we've been waiting for. It is pretty tasty. It's pretty good. Hey guys, so today's a different day. It's Friday and we are on our way to IKEA because we love going to this place. I thought I should bring you guys along. We have to get a few things, but my husband and I, usually when we drop the kids off, we love taking like day trips just to go and do stuff that we love to do, you know. So IKEA is one of the places, one of our favorite places to go, just to look around, get ideas on things we need to do to our house. So I'm bringing you guys along. Ooh, love this. I don't know what about this that I like. I think I just like the sheets, animal print sheets. Just so pretty. This label. Little tables. I do have these clocks in my office. Okay. IKEA. Hey guys, so we came to do a quick shopping at IKEA just to look around for some stuff for our room and business. All right, guys, so how cute is this island? I just love the size, the color, and something else caught my eyes is this bed and the drippings. I don't know, that's something about it. So we were just looking at vanity. I mean, there's a lot of things to look at in IKEA. Have you been to IKEA? Let me know in the comment if any of you guys love it there, or do you take trips to IKEA let me know. So yeah, so we're just looking at different things, blinds, beddings, living area, because we really need to do a lot to our house. I mean, there's this other furniture. I mean, this whole entire decor, the couch, everything. I just wish I can just pick this up and just place it in my living room, like the entire decor. I just love it. I love how they added like the pop of color. You know, I'm all about everything white. I love white decor. So yeah, and even this flooring, we have to take out the rug in our house. The kids have spilled stuff. I mean, guys, it's a major work we have to do to our house, and I can't wait. We already started, so I can't wait, and I will make sure you guys see the before, the embarrassing before, and the beautiful after. So still working on it. It's gonna take a while because I know my husband, he takes forever. So hopefully we don't do this. Hopefully we can get this done before Judgment Day. Seriously. So yeah, so we're just, looking around so you guys can take a peek. I love IKEA. I just love it. This whole closet is like goals. I love it. I love the pop of color. It's just, oh my goodness. I can't get enough of this space, this place. So yeah. Oh my God, these bites. Hey guys, so it's a different day. It's Saturday, and our kids are with my in-laws, my husband parents. They love having the kids. My husband is the only child, so they really, really appreciate having two grandkids. So yeah, so we thought we should, utilize our day, spend some time together again. It's Saturday. We headed to King of Prussia Mall to check out some stuff that Zara may have, and then do a little shopping. My husband will check out some stores as well, and then maybe go grab some food and drinks because, we have our day to ourselves, so why not make, good use out of it. So we're headed in, and of course, I'm recording. He's a little mad because he always think I'm bringing it up on camera. So I really want to shop at this place. The next time I go there, Aritzia, I'm going to check it out. I love everything I see in the window so far. It's like so inviting. So yeah. Hey, Insta fans. Oh my goodness. I'm at the, oh my God, the music is so loud. I'm at the King of Prussia Mall. Look at this. I have it in white, and you guys always asking, this is all right. So we enjoyed the food. It was my first time trying pecan pie, and I must say it was pretty good.